A warm welcome to everybody. My name is Arjun Kharat and I'm a business analyst with the Kylas team. So today, the topic that we have is very interesting and one of important topic and feature that we have in the Kylas CRM application. So today, the topic we have that is order management, or we can say quotation. So in today's topic, these are the three important points that we will be covering up. Starting with first, that is creating a quotation, how we can create a quote, plus how we can edit them and delete. Also, we will be looking at the listing page as well as the detail page of quotation, what all information a quotation includes in the Kylas CRM. And then we would be ending up with how we can send this quotation via email with the CRM application only, and also how we can download it for offline purpose. Okay. To start with it in the CRM, let me share my screen and show you how we can perform the activity in the application. I hope my screen is visible. Okay. To access the quotation, this is available on the left-hand side menu column, just above the task. So here we have the quotation. So now in order to access this quotation, the user needs to have the permission for it. So how the permission can be granted? Let's look at it. So to allow a user to create a quotation and perform multiple activities, we need to go to CRM setting, and then under the user management, we have profile permission. So basically these profile permissions are the group of people under which we have allocated the different permission based on their role and responsibilities. Okay, so this is one of group that I have created, and then under this I have order management, which is just above the productivity management section. So under this order management, we have quotation, and on the top you will see the column representing what kind of permission the user will have. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna give certain permissions such as read, update, create, then read all and update all. Also, I'm gonna give a special access permission, that is the email, so that the user can also send over the quotation via email. So let me save this setting and go back to the sign up with the user for which I have granted the permission. So as soon as I have granted the permission, I would be seeing the quotation menu on the menu column on left hand side. So here I can see the listing of all quotation that is available in the system based on read all permission that I have just given to this user. Also, we have some small useful buttons over here, that is the refresh, a quick search, plus column addition. Then we have filtration and a quick add quotation button. So let's add a quote. So here the quotation information has been segregated into three different sections, starting with general information, which includes the general information of quotes such as the deal, the company, and the contact associated with the quotation, plus the quotation state. So the status would be having the first is draft, that is the default selection, and also we have the some other status such as negotiation, delivered, on hold, confirm, and to deciding, that is the close one and close lost. Then moving to the next section, that is product or services. So under this section, we actually accommodate our product that we have included in our deal. Along with this, we are also capturing the quantity, the discount, and any taxes. Also, based on the user permission, he would be having ability to modify this while preparing a code. Then at the bottom of this product or service section, we would be seeing some additional discount, additional tax, any adjustment that needs to be performed, and the grand total. So the additional discount, tax, and adjustment would be applied on the subtotal, which is coming from not anywhere but from the product discount and taxes that we would be updating. And at the bottom, that is the third section, we have billing and shipping address information. Okay, so let's start creating a quote. So this would be I'm going to give cricket bags quotation over here. And then as soon as I click on the deal section, so the asterisk that you are seeing on multiple fields are the mandatory field for the quotation, such as the summary, the deal status, initially which is default as draft. Yep. So I have a couple of deals already created in this system. So this is a very good portion that I would like the audience to pay attention. So as soon as I select a deal, there would be multiple fields which would be auto-populated. So if you see over here, so the associated company and contact, these two fields are grayed out since we do not want as of now to give the user ability of auto selection or manual selection. So as soon as I select a deal, these two fields will be auto populated based on the deal information. So let me show you the deal on the other screen. So this is the KW deal that I have prepared. Okay. And under here, you can see the associated contact, that is Naina Talwar. So KW deal. Okay, I'm gonna give discount of 5%. Tax would be of 5%. Then additional discount again 5, and tax would be 10. And then adjustment of, let's say, 800 rupees. Number 43, New South Avenue, then city Pune, Maharashtra state, then country India, and save. Okay, so as soon as I save, seeing the new quotation has been added to the listing. Now let's look at it into detail page. So once the quote is created and I'm being redirected from the listing page, so this is how the quotation detail will look like in the uneditable or non-editable form. So here we have different fields to give you a glimpse of the quotation, such as the status, the grand total, who created it, when it got created, if any updates were performed, then by whom and when. Also, just following this particular section, we have related to section where we can actually see the codes related to which particular deal, the company, as well as the contact related to this quotation. Then we have the product or services section where we will see the list of products which are included in the quotation. along with their quantity, price, discount and taxes applied. Similar to that, we have also additional discount, the tax, any adjustments on the total sub amounts, resulting our grand total. And then towards ending of the screen, we have the billing and shipping address. So since we mark both as same, but on the quotation, we are showing up it separately so that the user will be know that both of this address are the product billing and shipping address, so that he will be aware where the billing information as well as shipping information will be delivered. On this detailed page, we are seeing these two buttons on top right hand side. The first is the edit button, so I can make any changes to the deal. So let me update the quantity over here and save. So all these permissions would be based on the activity can be performed based on the permission that we would be giving to user. Now, under this drop down, we will be seeing these three main buttons that are one is delete, second download, and third is send over email. So when I click download, so this quotation will be downloaded in a PDF format and can be seen in this form. Like I can see the logo that I have used for my company, then the company name along with its website and address. Then we have listed the billing address information, then shipping address information, then the product or services detail along with how the calculation derived. Yeah. So this is how a PDF will look like for a quotation. To our screen. Okay. Now, how it can be sent over an email. So on this drop down, we have send over email button. So before this, the send over email, the user needs to have one of the email accounts connected. So I can quickly show you how that can be done. So to connect an email account, you need to go to CRM setting. Then under the communication, you will see email settings. So here I can connect the email account. So currently we have Gmail as well as Outlook and other servers which can be connected as well. So since I have one of my Gmail account connected, I will go to our detail page of quotation and then click on the send over email. So as soon as I click, the email template or the email body will open up and the contact which was associated with the quotation will be auto selected in the to section of the email. Also, I can add or make carbon copy to the additional people within our team, or also I can type the email IDs. Okay. Then I can put the subject line and type the quotation detail in the body. Also, on this select template, what I've done, I have created one email template that I can use for this quote as well. So I'm going to select quotation and the email body will be auto populated with the content that I have used in the template. Then at the bottom of the email, you will see the quotation underscore, the deal name and the file format with the size are already selected to send with the email. So as soon as I click send, The quotation has been sent and I have received a success toaster on the left hand side at the bottom of the screen. So now let's look at the email. So as soon as I go to my email, I will see the email has been received to me along with the email body that I have selected in the email structure while sending the quotation. Now this is from the all about the quotation listing page. Also, we have make it available on the deals detail page as well. So when we go to a deal, so let's go to our deal that we have used in the quotation, that is KW deal. Then on the right hand side, we have this productivity section. So we'll see the quotation icon just below the call icon. So as soon as I click over here, I will see the quotation that were created related to this specific deal. Also, I will have a quick add button which will open the add quotation form, and from here I can actually create another quotation for this deal. So let me show you another deal so that it would be quickly. Okay. Okay, so here we do not have any quotation made for this particular deal. So when I click add, you will see most of the information available on this deal will be auto captured and populated over here. So I can see the quotation summary has been captured from the deal name. Now the deal which we are on the details will be auto selected over here, the associated company, the contact, and the status. Also in the product or service section, I'm seeing the information of this product along with its quantity and price has been captured. Now the only thing that user will need to perform is adding up the billing and shipping address, and it would be ready to save. Also, let's see our previous example. So when I'm going to this specific quotation, you will see there are three dots which is a ellipsis. So when I click, I will see there are quick actionable items such as edit, so that I can also make any changes to a quotation from the deals detail page. Also, I can delete, download, and the one of very important, that is I can also send this quotation from deals detail page as well. So as soon as I click, I'm seeing the email template, email body has been open. I can select the template and hit on save button, which will gonna send this quotation to the respective people we have selected in the to field. So let me show you another example over here. So let's add a quote over here. Okay. I'm gonna say Mumbai State, Maharashtra. I'm gonna give country India and a zip code. Okay, and save. So as soon as I save this information, it will be available in the productivity section. Also, we can see it on the quotation listing page. So I'm going to add webinar so that we can quickly identify this. So as soon as I saved, we are seeing this on the productivity section. Now let's go to quotation listing page. So here I'm also seeing it is being added to the listing page. And we are seeing the same information that we capture from the deals page. So what we have seen today is how we can create a quote, how it can be edited and deleted. Also, we have seen how it will reflect on a listing page. Also, how a quote will look like after saving all the detail. That means the detail page of a quotation. Then we have seen how it can be sent via email, and everything can be done within the Kylas CRM only. So this was the major topic that I wanted to cover today. Thank you everyone for joining this webinar.